Friends, a different kind of problem is going on in today's generation. On one hand, these generations are called time-foot generations. Having said this, he has received requests from all sides. On the other hand, generation is still burning under more pressure than generation. To earn this money to keep oneself ahead in the society and to earn respect in front of the gurus. Why is it said to be good among friends, then to prove good in front of the world? Besides these, he also has a lot of expeditions. They have to be financially free within 20 to 25 years. On one hand, their money can be used for work and also to enjoy life. I also hope that you have a similar dream. I also hope that you have a similar dream. And for this you are thinking a lot and must be taking ideas from here and there. You want to go along with a complete planning. See if someone has this kind of thinking at this young age, then it is very good. This shows that you are serious about your future. If I tell you this, you will appreciate what you have tried. This will never be accomplished because of some bad habits of yours. So will you believe what I say? Maybe not. Because you have not paid attention to your habits till now. Look what has been done. When it is time to work on any habit, it already thinks about what to do. But we don't have any hygiene regarding this. What do we have to do? As we move forward, our dream remains just a dream. Because it is not so that we intentionally keep our bad habit plate. We don't even know which is the path to reach our destination. We always want to give the best time to our goal. But because of your bad habits you are not able to give. So in today's video you will know which are the major habits due to which you are not able to move up. By using this you can also go to the top in your field. If you follow the habits mentioned in the video for just 2 months, your life will change. You will be able to see the change in your life yourself. So without wasting time, let's get into our first habits. Which means fix your sleeping pattern. When you accidentally wake up in the morning, you must have noticed one thing. That day seems bigger than your other days. We think that this day is not of 24 hours but of 30 hours. We can do a lot in this much time. However, there is no change in the hours of the day. However, there is no change in the hours of the day. This change comes because of our sleep. We know how to get up in the morning but we are not able to use this time again. And the next day he wakes up at 10-11 with complete flax seeds. But by then you have already wasted half of your day. The thing is that this is the way today's generation is going. It is very difficult to make the intention to wake up early. He spends the whole night playing games and talking. Joe, even when he has to wake up at 5 o'clock, he is ready for sleep. But perhaps you may not even be able to guess it yet. But you will get into this habit gradually. One will get into such bad habits that in time one's own life will become dependent on oneself. And many of these people will also be like this. After wasting time at midnight, you suddenly get angry. Must be thinking that I am of no use. How can I stop myself? I will make my career. And this thinking traps your future in life. For this, if you want to have a lot of love in your life. So first of all, make your sleeping time equal. Look at this, that will last for 7 days. And then see how many days you can complete in 7 days. What else did you do? You love me a lot, and what all is lacking, you can come forward and correct it. Once you have controlled this thing, then whatever habit comes next. Number 2, don't skip workout. Now look, it seems like you do workout only to build your body. This is for reducing fat, and no, it is not for the reason that workout is so important. Actually, workout creates discipline in you. Go at the same time every day for half an hour with complete focus. Completing all the sets, sweating, feeling the pain. Doing this continuously increases your limit. I believe that if someone follows this routine continuously, then he can follow it for 3 months. So this person can do a lot in their life. Because this news comes inside him of very high level power. And if there is tea, then even someone's strong habit applies to you in a good way. Apart from this, I can tell you many other benefits of working out. After working out, your stress level reduces. Your mental health is complete. The body is capable of working for a long time. The quality of gold also becomes better. Body shop also gets done, and you also look very beautiful. I am very happy to say that these days the agency is doing this work. The rest are checking a lot more than the older generations. But Maximum Gents is keeping a close watch on your health. And because of the same reason, today we are seeing people doing a lot of workout and meditation. But such things exist and people stay away from things like working out. But he has this saying that he spends too much time. Who has kept so much time and the same people till 5:05 p.m.? You just spend so much of your precious time. And keep yourself away from useless things and consider workout as important. Let us also give you this challenge for the next 2 months. And do your imaging, how much change has taken place inside you. Number 3. Don't eat unhealthy foods. Many people complain that they want to do a lot of work but their body does not support them. When you sit down to learn something, you feel very boring. When you start exploring, you start feeling very tired. This means that 20 to 25-year-old youth are worried about the fact that they can do anything. But his body does not remain active much of the time. But one big reason for this is to eat healthy food. Especially in India it is very high, but here many people even lose their health because of jokes. You must be aware of the kind of food you eat in your daily life. And this is why your overall body reacts all the time. If you eat healthy food, then no doubt your body will remain active. And on the other hand, by eating unhealthy food, you will become a victim of laziness and disease. And we have been hearing this since childhood, and I know that you have heard this before today. You have tried hard to not eat unhealthy food. But nothing has been done even today when it is evening. We reach before time and eat burgers and momos without caring for our health. Until our mind is filled or our mind becomes empty. So the idea of eating junk food to keep your body active cannot be stopped suddenly. Because you know you can't do it right. So why not create a different way to control these habits? Meaning, instead of keeping yourself away from junk food completely, you should reduce the quantity of junk food for some time. For example, if you eat daily, then start eating 40 or 50 servings a day. If you do it for the whole week, then start taking juice for 1 or 2 days, and along with this also remember this. Whenever you are going to eat junk food, eat some healthy food at home before leaving. You will be able to see a distinct change in his mood, but at that time he does not feel like eating much on his own. This will also come to your mind that if you start eating more junk food, then you will definitely get the benefits of eating healthy. Use this for just 1 month and you will see the results yourself. Your body will remain active for a longer time and you will also be able to focus more. And if your result is among your favorites, then gradually you will get rid of this habit. Number 4. Don't overspend. To look like someone who just started earning money. Because the time comes when we get money in our hands. So this thought keeps revolving in our mind all the time: how should we cross this money? You know, it's true that we buy things which we don't even need in our daily life. There are many such people all around us. Every time he wants to withdraw money from our subscription. And we also have to learn different types of advertising. Our favorite celebrity also does it. So that by any means he can force you to buy the product. And this marketing will keep those people going like this also. But you may become very weak financially. But in such a situation, your entire focus shifts from savings and investment and you feel like crossing only. This is a rate in which you will go fast, and who knows. Look, if you are of young age, then keep one thing in your mind right now, son. If you don't want to do a job all your life, you have to start a business and take it forward. But I also know that many people among you will have the same target. So for that you will need a lot of money at one time. The money will be with you as long as you have started saving. That's why stop taking useless things and control yourself from emotions. If you like something instantly, then buy this thing immediately. Even after giving yourself a gap of 2 days, think again. Give yourself time to realize whether we really need this thing or not. Try taking this challenge for 2 months. You yourself will notice that you will talk about a lot of useless things instead of hoarding. So this is what you will do if you want to take it seriously in your life. And through all these things you remain disciplined. So you're about 90. You can also tell your opinion about this entire video in the comment section. Hope you all like and share this video. If you meet us together for the first time, then please subscribe to the channel.